Sa aking mga kabata, sapagkat ang bayay sadyang umiibig sa kanyang salita, kaloob ng langit, sanlang kalayaan na saring masapit, katulad ng ibong nasa himpapawid. Pagkat ang salita'y isang kahatulan, sa layo mga kaharian, at isang tao'y katulad kabagay ng alimang likha noong kalayaan. Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, mahigit sa hayop at malansang isda. Kaya ang marapat pagyamaning kusa na tulad sa isang tunay na nagpala. Ang wikang Tagalog tulad din sa Latin, sa Ingles, Kastila at salitang Anghel. Sapagka ang poong maalam tumingin, ang siyang nagawad nagbigay sa atin. Ang salita natin huwat din sa iba, na may alpabeto at sariling letra, na kaya'y nawalay dinatnan ng sigwa, ang lunday sa lawa noong dakong una. Sa aking mga kabata,
my reflection about sa aking mga kabata. Rizal call for unity and pride in our heritage serve as a timeless reminder of the value of cultural preservation and resistance against oppression.
Sa aking mga kabata, it reflects his deep concern of the future of the Filipino people. He emphasizes the importance of education and national pride among the youth. Rizal believes that the youth are the hope of the nation, and it is through education that they can realize their full potential and contribute positively to society.
My reflection about video representation. Rizal insights into the power of language as a tool for empowerment and preservation of idea continues to inspire generations.
In the essence, the poem serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of cultural pride in the enduring legacy of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal.
Sa aking mga kabata, his words echo the sentiment that language is not just a means of communication but also a reflection of a nation's soul and spirit.
Through sa aking kabata, Rizal imparts a sense responsibility to safeguard our cultural heritage to future generations.
My reflection about sa aking mga kabata is more than just a poem about language. It is a profound statement about identity, heritage, and national pride. It calls on us to value and preserve our language as a fundamental part of who we are. This reflection serves as a powerful reminder of the role that language plays in shaping our cultural and national identity.